Hello everyone, welcome back. If the mobile or cellular data is not working on your iPhone and iPad, then use these best ways to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first and basic method is we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on mobile or cellular data and turn off mobile or cellular data, then go back to settings and enable airplane mode. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, we have to launch settings. Here we have to disable airplane mode and tap on mobile or cellular data and enable mobile or cellular data. Now you will check the problem will be solved or not. If some of the particular app is not working, then under mobile or cellular data, enable that app that are not working with your mobile or cellular data. If the application is already turned on, then turn off, wait for a few seconds and turn on back. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we are going back to settings, tap on journal and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Then go back to journal, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.